What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will remove and replace the battery in a 2009 Chevy Impala. The battery is trapped in here, and some disassembly is required. First, we will disconnect this plug, because the harness goes over the battery, trapping the battery underneath. Slide this gray piece straight up. I used a flathead screwdriver to assist. This releases the locking tab. Now push in the locking tab to release the connector, and pull the connector out. All set. Next, remove the support bar. There are 3 bolts which hold it in place. They require a 13mm socket. Then move the bar with the harness and plug out of the way. Now use a 10mm socket to remove the battery cables. Remove the negative cable first. If you remove the positive first, and your metal wrench touches the vehicle frame, it will ground out the battery, which is dangerous. So, remove the negative cable first, then the positive cable second. Next, remove the battery hold down. Technically, you can just loosen it to free the battery. However, due to the space constraints in this vehicle, completely remove it and get it out of the way. The last item that needs to be moved is the fuse box. There are 2 nuts on top that require an 11mm socket. Removing these 2 nuts will not allow a lot of movement with the fuse box, but it's enough to remove the battery. Now it's time to remove the battery. It is still a tight fit. You may be concerned that there's not enough room for it to come out, but there's room. Go ahead and battle it out. If you want more room, further disassembly of the fuse box is required to get it further out of the way, but this'll work. Mission accomplished. To install the new battery, reverse the process, but first clean the corrosion off of the battery connections and use grease on them, such as white lithium grease, to block the air and moisture and prevent future corrosion. You can buy a kit with grease and washers for a couple dollars. So, that wraps up this video. I hope you found it helpful. Drop any comments below. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.